Peanut butter. Bring your ass. Come on. Come on, peanut butter. Bring your ass. Go. Go. Come on. Peanut butter, come on, bro. You are annoying sometimes. Let's go. Shit. You see, everyone else can just get with the freaking program. You always had to be on some hissing tongue stuff. You lucky I'm keeping it PG. You lucky I'm keeping it PG, peanut butter. You lucky I'm keeping it PG. Okay? You need to chill, son. Boy, go eat some fucking food. Stop following me. Thor. Handle my light work. Handle my light work. No, not me. Handle my light work. Stop that.